all will just, you will raise your hand. Okay, so I am sharing my screen as well as everyone. Please turn on, please open your open your books. Everyone, please open your books. So from the advantage and disadvantage part, we will just start to read. From the advantage and the disadvantage part, we will start to read, right? So here are the advantages. In the era of technology, most of the people have a computer as a good friend, but there are two faces to tell you. Is it good friend or not? So there are advantages as well. Computers are not only used for personal purpose, they are mostly used in the organization. They use computers to record the record data of their customers. Bank is using the computers for maintaining accounts and managing financial transactions. Okay, so why bank is using the computer? You need to underline those things. Already I told you, right? Suppose because there are lakhs, crores of customers of one bank, it is not possible for a bank to just manually update everything. Previously, it was many years ago, everything was done manually, but nowadays it is getting done by the help of computer software. They are providing facilities of online banking, right? Customers can check their account balance by using the internet. Google Pay, the name of Google Pay. I hope that all of you heard. This is the greatest example of this. Different tasks are performed automatically by using computers. It reduces the need of people. Getting an information is very easy by using computer. Means while we are using Google, we can get the information very easily just in a few seconds. So the disadvantages are the use of computer puts the world at a different height, but every coin has two sides. In that way, computer has some advantages, but some disadvantages also. Many people using computer for negative purpose. Okay, they play games and chat for long period of times. That causes wastage of time and energy. We should use that. We should do that because everyone is nowadays socially isolated. Okay, everyone is staying apart. So we should talk with our relative. We should spend some times on the video calling. But some people are like that. You will see that every means now and then they are just messaging rubbish. Have a good morning, good night, good evening. No work at all, and just asking rubbish type of questions, means what they want to tell don't know. And some are addicted to video games nowadays, I have seen. So these are not good. Young generation is now spending more time on the social sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. These are called as social sites. That is also affected social lives. Actually, they are not socially socially they are not very well. They are not a sociable very much. Means what can I say? They never get out from their room or home to play, but they are spending much time in the Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Okay, is there anyone is having Facebook account? Please raise your hand. Your Facebook account. Oh, so no, you don't have any. It's very good. You don't need one also, because in the while you are in school and college, you all will meet. I hope this situation will be gone after few days. So you all will just meet with your friend in school, college, or wherever educational institution, or after that in your job. So now it is not needed. When you will be grown up, you will open one. As the computer reduces the need of people, it leads to the increase of unemployment. This is a big issue. Because previously I told you already that the bank balance maintaining, all these things, all these kinds of things are getting done by some human beings, but nowadays computer is taking care of that. So means, what can I say, that those humans are getting unemployed for that. A computer has no brain, no intelligence on it. It only performs operations and instruction at instructed. So these are disadvantages we all know. So I am just rubbing these things. If anyone needs to mark, please mark it very fast. And if any kind of question is there, please ask me. So I hope that there isn't any kind of question. So I'm just clearing all those drawings and I'm going to the next page. The chapter is almost complete. So here we will start the worksheet, means whatever is there. So here, whatever the glossary of the chapter, these things you need to read. Okay, please mark all the points. It's important over here. Okay. And please keep, I am just saying that, saying all the question answers. Question answers A, B, C, you will do in book, but D, you will do in copy. Okay, while I will write, I will just say that thing you will do in copy. Again, these things you will do in book. Is it understandable to all of you? So I am writing here, different machines do different types of work. So this is a true statement. I'm writing T for that. IPO cycle stands for input process output cycle. Yes, this is also true. I am writing. Computers suffer from human traits of boredom and tiredness. No, this is completely false. Computer never becomes tired like us. Right? This is F, by the way. After that, speedometer is the example of analog computer. Yes, true. In the example part, you will go and you will see that this is true. Both super and mainframe computer are slow speed computer. No, this is false actually. Why, Sifa, why you raise your hand? Unmute. Shifa, unmute.
Ma'am, this is computer copy.
This is means what I have doing now. Do it in your book. Means it's true, false. Fill in the blanks, tick, and this question answer only you will do in the copy. Okay, and the previous day I have written something. Those board works you have to do in the copy. Everyone should follow the class from the fast. Okay, in the middle, if you are going to join, you will never understand what I am telling. So the first here is computer is also a machine and works on the principle of IPO cycle. Here the options are given, but in the exam, I will not give the options. You have to memorize all those things. Next, question number 2, computers works at very high speed and can do billions of billions. This is billions you have to write, okay, of jobs per second. Question number 3, an analog computer, analog. Okay. Next is 4, question number binary digits. binary. So the laptop computer is a very portable computer. This is laptop, by the way. Okay. Next, computer makes our work easier, not harder, not easy, or not the easiest, because we need to learn how to operate the computer. For that, basic education and basic computer operating skill is also needed. Machine, next will be analog, next will be full tower carries or comes along with the speakers on the system unit. On the system unit, okay. After that, are very small design to be, and this will be palm top. And here, this is I'm doing copies part. We will do later. This will be multiplication. Okay. Complete it very fast. I will give few more minutes. Please complete this. So I'm wrapping all those things. I'm going to the next page. Next, the first word will be execution. First word will be, okay. First word will be execution. Execution. My handwriting is not okay. This is work frame. This is next. This will be D. I am telling this will be digital. Okay, and this will be hybrid. EF. You complete. After that, that will be just question number 2, we will take the help of internet. I'm searching 2 mainframe computer. So here from this question we will do in this question also we will do in the copy. Okay, this question also we will do in the where we will do in the copy. Okay, so write everything. After that I will wrap. After that we will start the question answers. So I'm clearing all those things. So everything will be uploaded. Okay, so no need to worry. Yes, Rajpreet, why you have just raised your hand?
Ma'am, question number D I can do now.
Question number E.
Yes, ma'am.
D. Yes, D I will be doing so. That time you will do. So for that, I'm opening my Word file. You just open your copy. What happened, Jashmeet?
Ma'am, what is the answer of number F?
Number F answer is hybrid. HYBRID. Hybrid computer we have learned now. Hybrid. Understand?
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Everyone open your copy and give today's date. Everyone open your copy and give today's date. Okay? Everyone open your copy, give today's date. I am writing with the help of the word, and you have to write it down back at your copy. You have to write it down back at your copy. Okay? So this is in the heading part, you will write computer chapter 1. Like this way you will write. Along with chapter 1, what is the name of the chapter 1? Introduction to computer. Introduction to computer. Okay? And give CW and today's date. Give CW and today's date. After that, we will write the page number also. Page 11. Page 11. Okay. So page 11. Here we are starting from question number D. I am writing the questions along with the answers I will write. So you will also write that accordingly. D What? Question is what? How can you say that? So here I'm writing the answer from your book. So write like that. Computer is in copy you have to do. Smart machine. What happened, Rajveer? Why you are raising your hand again and again?
Ma'am, I cannot see what you are writing.
Okay, okay. Wait. Now you all can see. Now you all can see. If not, then only raise your hand. Yes. Yes, what happened? Munir and Rajveer not can't see now also.
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Okay, Munir. Munir, you can't see?
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Okay, okay. So write down, okay? Computer is an electronic machine. First you have to write, okay? Electronic machine that makes our work easier and faster. It can various types of work. Your answer. Not much time is there, so so do very fast.
Ten times four. 10.
So write down the features of the computer are fast you need to write, okay? Because I have to take the attendance also. Debarko need to be regular in the class.
ইংলিশ ক্লাস দেখছি আমি ইংলিশ ক্লাস দেখছি যা